In this video, we introduce the user-defined data type. You can define a custom data type in order to simplify the writing of your VHDL code. A data type can be standard VHDL or user-created. VHDL allows you to define your own data type. A data type can be declared in the declarative part of a package, entity, architecture, process, and subprogram. Among user-created data type, there are also several predefined types in the standard package. VHDL data type can be summarized as follows: standard and composite. An example of Scalar data type is the declaration of tpy_myInteger, that is, of integer type with a range of 0 to 255, or the declaration of probability with range 0.0 to 1.0. Inserting the dot, the number is automatically interpreted as a real type. Declaration of enumerated type tpy color is enumeration of color red, yellow, green, and black. Here is an example of signal assignment. Assigning 10 to my integer, 0.3 to probability, and red to color. You can define a type as array unconstrained. That means that you can define the boundary during the variable signal declaration. Here, tpy vector real is an unconstrained array where the boundaries are positive. Tpy vector integer is an array whose boundaries are positive, including 0. During the variable definition, you must define the array boundary. This is the boundary definition. An example of composite type is the following. The first row is a declaration of an array. An array in VHDL is an indexed collection of elements, all of the same type. This collection is a single object itself. Each element on the array can be accessed by one or more indices, depending on the array dimension. The syntax for declaration is: declaration type tpy memory is array boundary of type. In this case, is an array of 32 elements of standard logic vector of 16-bit. This type of syntax can be used when you want to declare a data type implementing RAM or ROM. Pay attention if you want to use memory inside devices. As a rule of thumb, you should verify the vendor rules to implement RAM or ROM art macro. For example, in ASIC technology, you should synthesize the RAM macro using the proprietary tool. In FPGA, it is possible to implement memory macro directly in VHDL using RTL templates provided by vendor. The second row is the declaration of a bidimensional array or matrix. Type tpy matrix is array 1 to 4, 1 to 5 of integer. 1 to 4, 1 to 5 of integer. So 4 row and 5 column. In the last 2 rows, we see an example of enumeration and record declaration. If you are familiar with classical programming languages, you should recognize the concept of record, that is a collection of different or same data types. In this case, there is a field opcode of enumerated type tpy op and 2 integer fields src and dest. Here there is the signal declaration, memory matrix and instruction of tpy memory, tpy matrix, tpy instruction. And here we can see the signal assignment. Assignment to allocation 0 and 1 of memory. This is the syntax for assignment hexadecimal value with X and double quote. Here there is the assignment to the location 00 of the 4-row 5-column matrix. And here there is the assignment of the opcode and source in the instruction. In order to assign a record field, you should use the dot syntax.